Hey everyone, it's Mike Stogsdill here with the Outdoor Gear Report. What we're doing this week is we're going to pattern our shotgun for waterfowl season. The past 2 or 3 years I've taken some friends out that have never been waterfowl hunting before. Even an older gentleman at 63 years of age asked me, what do I need to do to get ready? So these are just basic steps to go about getting prepared for waterfowl season. You can also do this for turkey season in the springtime. But I'm going to make my homemade target here. You take 30 inches by 30 inches and see where your shot is patterning. Simple homemade target. You got to have the proper gear. What I have here, I've got my new ammunition from Winchester. I've got my safety glasses, my hearing protection, my shotgun, and I'm ready to go. I'm going to make my first shot at 15 yards. I like starting close and then working my way back. Let's go see how she patterns. Let's go see what we got. But first, before we do that, make sure your action is open. Safety always comes first. Pick up your trash. All right, so this is absolutely perfect because what we see here, 30-inch circle, every pellet is inside 30 inches, and actually it's inside about probably 15 inches. This dot here represents the duck head or the goose head, and that bird right now would be dead. So that's a good pattern at 15 yards. Let's move back to 30 and then on to 40. Let's see how the shotgun patterns with this new load at that distance. Action's open, safety's on. Let's go see what we got for 30 yards. Looking real good for 30 yards. Yeah, that's great. Perfect. You see we got full coverage in the 30-inch spot, the target area. You've got a lot of pellets that hit right in the center there. You're talking about a dead goose or a dead duck, and that's what we want. Excellent. All right, let's see what we got for 40 yards now. Hold.
Woo! Mistake there, wearing my...
All right, that's our 40-yard shot. Chamber's open, safety's on. Muzzle's pointing, safe spot. Let's go see how this looks. Well, at 40 yards, it's pretty spread out, real good. It's all along, it's even outside. It might be even been 50 inches, 46 inches wide at the furthest point. So it's a limited shot, but still it would be in the body of a goose or a duck. So you could take a shot, but in my opinion, I probably may not take a 40-yard shot this fall for waterfowl season. But that's how my shotgun's patterned with the blind side from Winchester, and also I'm shooting a steel full choke. So that's why it was pretty tight at 15 yards, and then 30 yards had a good pattern, but steel full. So we're looking good. At least I know where I'm patterned for my shotgun. All right. So that's the basic way to pattern a shotgun. If you don't know, follow the steps, make sure you got your gear, make sure you go to the store. You can go to the store and get these pallet toppers, what they are. They're 48 by 48 pallet toppers, just a sheet of cardboard. They'll give them to you for free. Make your own homemade target. As you can see, it's not scientific. I'm not dead center, but it does a job. So hopefully this has helped out. This is Mike Stogsdill with the Outdoor Gear Report. Thanks for tuning in, and subscribe and invite some friends if you'd please do that. We'd appreciate it. Thanks very much.